Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. We're going to be putting an arrangement together today. You can see two that I've already done so far. It is May, the flowers are blooming beautifully, and we're going to get started on our arrangement. So you want to make sure you have a clean, sharp pair of pruning shears. I'll have a link down in the description for these. These are the ones that I always use. You want to have clean vases. That will make your flowers last longer. And I clean my vases with a mixture of bleach and water. You want a fresh pitcher of water for your vases. If you want any kind of beads or anything like that, you can put those in there. Some people like the decorative things. I've done those already. And you want some masking tape depending on what type of a container you're going to be working with. So I think we're going to work with this one here. And we're going to be using dahlias. This dahlia here. Now dahlias can float. So we're going to tape this off. You can use masking tape if you choose to. This is clear. And we're just going to make little blocks. It's going to help hold the flowers in. This one here was done with the same kind of blocks, so it holds this together. Because what happens is when you have a shorter thing like this, your flowers are top heavy. If you don't have something in to help hold them, they're going to fall out. And it's really frustrating. Trust me, I know. So we have this two across here. I'm going to put on two more. I'm going to put my water in first here because I got the two on that I really need to get on. Oops, got that a little off. If you want to hide the tape even more, you can put like ribbon around it, but when we put the flowers on, you're not even going to see it because you really don't even see it on this one with the exception of one spot here. So we're going to start working with the dahlias. I do have a video on my channel for how to harvest your dahlias. I'm going to put this in first. This is, see how it wants to float? It's top heavy. But dahlia stems are also hollow, so that's another reason why they try and float. There we go. Now it will stay. Any leaves that are going to be under the water, like these here aren't underwater, but if they were going to be under the water, you want to take them off. Or you're going to have issues with bacteria growing in your water as the stuff like decomposes and it's not good. Beautiful crested celosia here. Now I do not recut my dahlia stems because of what I actually do with my dahlia stems to treat them, which I'll have a link or I have a video at the end of this video that you can click on. You can see how I treat my dahlia stems when I cut them for arrangements. And I get some different stuff out here. Whoops. We have some bunny tails here. Put some bunny tails in. These are a different fun texture. Bunny tails are, they're fuzzy and they're fluffy and they're just fun to work with. These are our xanthomums here. Like the purple color. Something specific that I'm looking for here. These are our flags. Just around the back here. I didn't have another one of these blooming. I wish that I would have, but I didn't. So we're kind of doing something a little different. Mikey has allergies, so he's not having a fun time. Put in some Dusty Miller. You know what, I'm actually going to move this celosia right to the center. There we go, I like that better. And that's the fun thing with arrangements, you can kind of move them around. When you do them in the foam, it's harder to move them around because you have to put a new hole in the foam and it doesn't always work the best. That's the right size. There we go. Put in some snapdragons here. And some more celosia. This is another crusted celosia here. Some more snapdragons. Put in some of our status here. Oops, this one here is caught in between there. And status is your filler flower. Oops. Our status in here. Three pieces there. And we're going to put in some more Dusty Miller. Kind of got tangled, stuff got tangled up in my bucket when I harvested it. So it's kind of little. Filling it around in here. more Dusty Miller. Put in a little bit more status. Let's see here. We're going to put some of these in. Different color here. Purples. Put some more xanthomums in. Something really bright. And you can use different pieces off of the stems. Just make sure that they don't have any foliage on them if they're going to be for where they're going to go. Grab some more snapdragons here. Go. I like the yellows. I like the yellows, the pinks. A little bit more color over on this side here. It's a little dull still. Work. Oops. Yeah, that's perfect height I need right there. Need some yellow in here. This side over here. Yep, that's perfect right there. Kind of arrange it around some. You don't want it to look like you just like plopped it together. You want it to look nice. Need some more status over here. Couple more xanthomums here. Oops. And these are some thinner stems so they can kind of fit in a little easier for some of your little detail work, but it has a really nice flower on it. So let's see where I can put this in at. Working this in. There we go. Just kind of rearranging a few things here, getting it where it needs to be. A bit more yellow right there. Yeah. So work right here. Go. here, back out. That's not where I wanted it. Right over here. There we go. That's the side I needed it on right there. And there we go. So I hope that you enjoyed the video for how to put this arrangement together. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.